I'm Jaden from the business team, and today I'm going to be pitching a new sponsor for the Bagel Bytes, Mom's List. Hi, may I speak to the owner/manager?
I'm the owner. My name is Z.
I am Jaden from the Culver City High School Robotics team.
Hey, a real pleasure to meet you.
What is your name?
Z.
Hi, Z. I would like to talk to you about a potential sponsorship for the team that I'm representing.
Okay.
Would you be open to sitting down so I may show you some of the things?
Of course. Let's do it. All right. So what do you got?
All right. So our team is called the Bagel Bytes. Now, the reason our team name is originally inspired off of our first sponsor ever, which is Noah's Bagels. Nowadays, our bagel-related sponsor is Daniel's Bagels. Now, you'll notice that almost all of the businesses here are local, and the reason why sponsors are so important to us is because we are almost entirely self-funded. In fact, the robot alone, which you'll see here from last year, costs around $5,000 to $10,000 by itself. And that's, of course, not including other expenses we have, like travel, hotels, food, the tools to build the robot.
So, can I interrupt you here? What does this robot actually do?
Now, as you'll see here at the top, this was to compete in the competition called Rescape. Now, here in this photo, I'm pretty sure you'll see it scoring one of the types, which is coral onto the reef here. Here, the robot is hanging, because there's different things in the game that give you different levels of points. So our robot is able to place down the score points, hang, and then this is it placing the larger scoring item into the barge at the top for more points. Every year on January 10th, we get revealed the parameters for the new game. And we have 2 months to design, build, test, and program the robot. Now, on these days, we spend so long that we stay at school until 9 p.m. and sometimes even longer, just straight working to get it done. Because 2 months is very little to build all of this and make sure 100% that it works.
Okay.
Yeah, so every year, of course, because it's a new competition, we have a different robot. Now, our competition schedule is usually 2 major competitions after the 2 months, where if we qualify in those, then we move ahead to the next level, and then if we qualify there, then we could possibly make it to Worlds. Now, speaking of qualifying and achievement, here are some of the awards that we've won in our 25 years of being a team, including stuff for entrepreneurship, like leadership, I think, hold on, let me think what else. Creativity, design.
So you have the A team on your side, huh?
Now, while we're not on season, that doesn't mean that we're any less busy. Here, we have some examples of stuff that we do in our off-season. Stuff like pitching sponsors, going to charity events. One of the charity events was, of course, last weekend, which was Taste of Culver City. One of our major charity events that we go to and that we have participated in is our partnership with the Aquarium of the Pacific. And this that you see here, this is a bird feeder that we designed and built and, of course, gave to them about 4 years ago for the parakeets, and they love it.
Wow.
Another thing that we've been doing for the last couple of years is the JPL event of a robot throwing out the first pitch at Dodger Stadium. We collaborate with other local teams to create a robot that, will throw it out.
That's exciting stuff.
Do you have any questions before I move on to the sponsorship details?
Not at all. Actually, I'm very intrigued. I mean, I've seen you guys at the Taste of Culver. I have had a chance to take a look at it. I didn't talk to anybody there, but I was very, very intrigued by it. Extremely interested in supporting you guys. I think this is a great initiative that you guys have. And what are the details for a sponsor?
All right. So here we have our different levels ranging from $250 to $5,000.
Okay.
And I should note, as it does say here, every donation to the robotics team is completely tax deductible via the Culver City High School Booster Club. Now, this year, something that we've started doing is our Take a Bite discount card program.
Right.
Now, every student on a team at Culver City High School, which is about 900 to 1,000 students and their families, give or take, will get this card. And this card it's connected to every business that it signs up for this specifically. Now, it's an optional part of being a sponsor, of course, it's a separate thing, but every sponsor has the opportunity to sign up for this. Now, what this is it's essentially a loyalty card program where it's an incentive for like essentially, I gotta think of the word, but it's promote your business to a larger audience in exchange for any student that comes in with this card can get
basically a discount.
Yeah, a discount. Usually around 10% or any set amount by the business owner, sometimes special because sometimes it's like a different type of item, stuff like that.
Well, we could certainly set up a promo code on our kiosk so when they come in, they show us the card, they can tap in and basically put the company name, and then we could certainly do that, implement that. And how long does that last for?
It lasts for, I'd say, I think it lasts the year because every year we go back and renew our sponsors and make sure they're still interested. So yeah, it lasts about a year, give or take.
Okay. All right. Okay. Fair enough. Love to get involved. Now, is that part of what you sent me here, or is that a separate thing altogether?
I mean, there are details for it on the sheet. So for here on the sponsor sheet, we'll of course need your details here, then what sponsorship level you'd like to go in, and if you'd like to participate in the program or not.
And if you participate, you will add your name to the website.
Yeah, so on our website, we have a list of every single team we have a list of every single business that's sponsoring us and every single business that is part of our discount card program. So basically people have, that list to go in and be like they'll be able to go there basically so it shows them, where can I get a discount using this card?
Got it.
So I will ask you the final question. Would you like to sponsor our robotics?
I'd love to sponsor your robotics. Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay. Now, do you leave this with me so I can fill it out, and do we make a checkout payable right away, or how does the billing work?
Ideally, we can do a check. We can also do credit card via my father, or online, and I think cash.
No cash.
No cash. Yeah, okay.
He's not going to want to give us cash.
I don't have cash.
But
we don't do cash
yet.
Check right now.
Yeah, preferably if you have a check right now, that would be best.
Okay.
And if the check wasn't available right now, then my father or somebody else would be available to come back later to pick the check up when it is available.
Because you guys are too busy and you want Dad to do the work. Is that it?
Well, rather.
Okay, I'm just checking, because that's how my kids do it. Yeah, they send me to do the hard work. Okay, fair enough. Okay, give me a few minutes. Let me go to the back and fill this out, and come back with a check. How's that?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.